Hello guys and welcome to ADev tutorials. Today we are going to see how to download Instagram profile pictures using Python. First I will open Windows terminal and we will create a new directory for our project named Insta profile, and I will cd into Insta profile and open the directory in Visual Studio Code. I will open the integrated terminal in VS Code, and first I will install ppnv so that we can manage our all the modules. I will also download request module using ppnv. Install requests here. As the pip files are being created, let's install Python extension for Visual Studio Code. I have already downloaded this one, Python extension for Visual Studio Code. So you can download it. Let's create a new file named app.py. And once you download the Python extension, you can choose the interpreter by clicking on this, and you can select our newly created Insta profile. Yes. So now we can start coding. We will firstly import requests module, OS module, JSON module, and random package. I will create a new function called download to download the Instagram profile pictures, and I will create a try and accept block so that if any errors occur we can print it in accept block. First I will accept the username from the user, and I will convert the username in lower case. We will create a new variable for storing the URL, which will be an f string https://www.instagram.com/username/?_a equal to 1. Now !__a equal to 1, it allows us to access the user data in JSON format. Look here. If I remove this, I will get the actual page, but once I add !__a equal to 1, it will give me the JSON data. We will also create a header to pass with the request user agent, which you can Google search my user agent, and you can copy this same and paste over here. We will send a request to the URL and also pass the headers, which will return a response. And if the response is okay, We will convert the response to the JSON and we will get the picture URL which will be in, let's see where it is located. It will be in GraphQL user and profile pic URL HD. So let's do GraphQL in that user in that. Okay, so now we have the URL for our profile picture stored in picture URL. Now we will send a second request dot get where URL will be equal to pic URL. Headers will be same headers, and this time we will pass the stream which will be true. We will also set the block size equal to 512 bytes, and we will give the name for our file which will be downloaded, which will be same as username, plus we will give a random number so that it does not overwrite any existing files, and random number between 1 to let's say 1000, and the extension will be JPG. Now path equals to, we will download the file in the same directory dot the name in that os dot path dot absolute path of the file. This will give the path of the current file directory which we are working on, that is D projects insta profile, and in that we will store our file in os.path.join path and name. Let's say we will give file path. Now we will open our with open file path in write bytes mode as F for chunk in response dot iter content of block size. We will write file dot write in the file, we will write the chunk in the file, and once the download is completed we will print download complete. And if we get the error we will catch it in the except block except error as E, and we will print those error, and we will simply call the download function. So let's test our code. I will open the Windows terminal, and you can see our virtual environment is activated by default as we have chosen the interpreter. Download complete, and you can see we have got the picture over here. Okay, so that's it from today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, and if you have not subscribed to my Instagram, please follow. I will give the link in the description below. Thank you.